Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Hiring Mentor. In today's video, I am going to provide you some certain tips to improve pronunciation, especially for the freshers. In today's video, I am going to provide you some certain tips in order to improve pronunciation of certain words while you are speaking with someone. Well, pronunciation plays an important role in a language. If you do not pronounce the words properly, then definitely it will give you a negative impression upon ourselves. And if you are talking with others, definitely they will think about us in a negative way, and they will think that as if you are unable to pronounce some certain words, and it's just nothing but the wrong impression that goes in their minds. So in order to prevent this, I'm going to provide you some tips. The first tip is you should observe the intonation. Well, the meaning of intonation means the rise and fall of voice while speaking. Well, you need to observe some speakers, like how they are speaking, how they are pronouncing their certain words, and basing on that you can improve. And the second thing is you need to make note of the words that are very difficult for you to pronounce, and you just need to practice that particular words, and you need to focus on those words especially. Well, you can stand in front of a mirror and you can just pronounce the words, and you just need to observe the lip movement of yours, in what way you're pronouncing and in what way the others are pronouncing. And the third thing is you just need to record your own voice. You just need to say certain sentences which includes the words that are very difficult to speak, and then you need to practice a lot by saying that words again and again. And the fourth thing is, if you are trying to communicate with someone, just don't feel shy to pronounce that word. Even though if the pronunciation of that word goes on, that's okay, you can just try it. Well, you just need to use that words in your conversation when you are speaking with others, so that it becomes repetitive, and definitely we won't feel so difficult to pronounce such kind of words. And mostly you need to concentrate on some certain kinds of sounds, like consonants and vowels. And if any of the speakers are speaking who are very good in English, or who are very good in their communication skills, you just observe their lip movement, how they are pronouncing the words which are categorized as consonants and vowels. Well, basing on these, the sounds will generate basing on these two, consonants and the vowels. Just practice some words that are related to it, and make a note down of the words which you are facing so difficult to pronounce basing on these two categories. And these are the tips to follow to improve your pronunciation. And the one of the most important tips I would like to provide you is you just need to practice every day. Practice makes everyone perfect. When you practice, then definitely it will boost confidence in you. If you don't know the correct pronunciation, just don't feel shy to speak that word. Don't replace the word with other thing, because we ought to use all kinds of words in English. So these are the tips I would like to provide. I hope I have provided you valuable information about this pronunciation. Definitely it will be useful for you. And I just forgot to mention a particular tip, that is to read newspapers, and that is to read articles where you can find the words. When you are reading in your mind, automatically you will recorrect the pronunciation of the words in your mind when you read some kind of articles, or when you read some newspapers. When we start reading, then definitely there will, our inner voice will automatically try to recorrect the pronunciation by observing others. So read well and then improve your pronunciation. These are the tips I wanted to provide. Thank you all. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.